Okay guys, look, really excited today to showcase the CopyProTraders funnel and marketing system. What we're going to do first though is show you the funnel pages and exactly how the CopyProTraders funnels look. Alright, let's go. Let's have a look at these funnel pages. So in CopyProTraders, we want to make sure we have a clear message here. As you can see, 100% hands-free. In the center of the page, you have the video specifically geared around teasing people to opt in. This particular one is the Antoine McBay CopyProTraders teaser video. It's about a minute long. We're going to have a new generic video. When somebody clicks the watch webinar button, obviously the goal is to get them teased into wanting to see more. They will actually click on watch webinar just down here. They'll be asked for their name and email address and be taken to the full webinar page. So this full webinar is the CopyProTraders full webinar with Antoine McBay. It's a great CopyProTraders presentation. It includes the comp plan and all that sort of stuff. Has an intro from Antoine McBay, who's the owner of CopyProTraders, as you can see here. Then what it does, it will take you down to the information about how to get started. When you click get started, as you can see just below the video, a little pop-up comes up and asks you for your details, but it's been pre-filled because obviously you did that on the front page. It asks you whether you want to be a CopyProTrader only or an affiliate or both. This is designed to understand where they're at, what sort of money they want to earn, what their why is, so you can use that when you're having a conversation. When they click the Get Started button, they will be taken to a Getting Started page. So that Getting Started page will show them how to get started with CopyProTraders, how they can do it fast, how they can get their APIs connected, etc. Very good presentation there. When you click the register for CopyProTraders, your ID is already embedded and coded in. As you can see here, with my name at the top here. And all they'll need to do is click the sign up button below. All these buttons are coded with different wallets and the exchanges to the right. These will have custom values behind them, so you just have to change those if you wish to put your own affiliate links in or not. You can just leave them there and we'll be happy to do that for you. Then a little bit further down the page, you'll see a little bit more info on how to get started, a little screenshot reminding them to look for your username and so on. And that's really the funnel in its entirety. We're really excited to launch this CopyProTraders funnel. There'll be some changes that will be done over the coming weeks, and we'll push those live to your account, so you don't need to change anything. What I'm going to do now is take you into the back office and show you exactly what this looks like. And as you can see, the dashboard shows you exactly how many opportunities, how many leads you've got. It also tells you how much your pipeline value is. So if somebody clicks on Get Started, what I've done is I've actually coded it so it allows you to see that you've earned that $21 per month. Obviously, that's pretty cool. You'll see on the left hand side conversation tabs and all sorts of cool stuff. This system has everything you could imagine, very similar to ClickFunnels, lead pages, many other major platforms. It's got Calendly integration, Calendly system built into it, so you don't even need to have a Calendly system. Just crazy. Has all sorts of really cool stuff. You can see below pipeline value. There you go, your leads. Your conversion rate. You can see there's the funnel steps and where everyone is in the funnel. You've got the ability to add your own Twilio account to this and add SMS messaging and phone tracking in there. You've got your lead source tracking, so you can see where they came from. You can even see Facebook ads tracking. You can see reviews, so you've got a review management platform, and if you've got Google My Business for your own offline business, you can do all sorts of cool stuff there. As you can see here in the recent conversations, you can see all your conversations, all the messages that have gone out to particular leads in the automation processes. So you can see there when somebody opts in, they've got that. You can also see here that you can message them directly from the back office here as well. On the right hand side, you can see that they have tags attached to them. So if they've watched the CopyProTraders webinar, or that they're a copy trader only in that form on the second page, you can see that. You can add them to other campaigns very easily. You can create opportunities. You can see they're already a part of a join to trade only. You can see on the left-hand menu here, opportunities. This is great. It's like a Trello board. You can see all of your opportunities in one place. And if we click on the first lead in a moment here, click on the first lead on the left-hand side. You can see we click this one. We'll click on the first lead there. It'll take us over, and we can actually see their activity. See every bit of their activity. You can see any messages that have gone out, but also it adds another dimension to it where you can see exactly what pages they've viewed on the video. So on the funnel. So you can see here, if we click on form submitted, you can see where it came from. So this particular lead came from YouTube. You can see here, that's my little YT link there, YouTube. Came from a YouTube video. See all the pages they've been to, the trigger link clicks that are in emails. There's so many different things you can see. This CopyProTraders funnel and marketing system is going to blow your socks off. There's so many things you can do. You can move people through the funnel manually. You can move them through automatically. They can be, tagged with won or lost and all that sort of stuff. You can see that here you got your marketing campaigns. You can see this here. Drop down to the campaign level. You can see you can edit each step of the marketing workflow. There you go. You can see it's all tag driven. All the trigger links will go to your links. So you can see all these trigger links. There we go, go out of there. We can add new events to this workflow, which we will. We'll be getting some really cool emails done. You can see even on the webhooks and so forth, you can see here the delivery rate and so forth, how many people opened. You can see reporting. We've got Google Ads, Facebook, attribution reporting. You'll see attribution reporting. If I click over here, you can see where all your leads are coming from, which is really cool. See that last link there, the YouTube one, 3 clicks. Facebook. see all the different places they've come from, what links they clicked. You have a scheduling calendar there, like I said before, Calendly style calendar. You've got reputation management based on reviews if you have your offline business. You've got unlimited funnels, unlimited contacts. You can see here in the contacts we can actually search for something like, you'll notice that there are some tags on the right hand side there, so CopyTrader only. If we do that, CopyTrader, we find the 3 people, we should select them, and we can do all sorts of actions like send them an email just to those 3 people. So we can tailor the messaging to people based on their tags. You can see here funnels, websites and membership sites. You can see the website builder, we'll go into that in another email. But all sorts of triggers. This system has triggers based on pretty much every action. You've got online listings, chat widget. So if you click on the chat widget, you can have a chat widget built into the site if you like. These pages can be embedded in a WordPress site now through the WordPress plugin, or you can just have unlimited domains and so forth in this system. You don't even need to host a WordPress site. Tutorial videos as well. You can see here full tutorials on the funnel builders and so on and so forth. If you want to change your billing details, you can go to the billing tab there. And then if you click CopyProTraders back office, so we're all about making sure that you have access to all your CopyProTrader links. You can go straight to your back office. Here you go, here's the back office. Back to our funnel builder. Thanks so much for checking out this CopyProTraders funnel system, and this is where you can go and get it. I will put the link below. So if you want a CopyProTraders funnel and you want us to build it for you, essentially what we do is you go down to here, you click on sign up, it'll scroll down a little bit, there you go. The basic plan is $67 a month, so you get everything that I showed you just then. $167 one-time fee to set it up, saving you $80. Domain connected, initial emails set up for you, triggers configured. You've got full access to the funnel builder, you've got fully featured CRM, Calendly, appointments system, and as I said, you can add an optional call tracking. If you wish to do an annual subscription, you can actually save a bit of money by doing that. It's normally $804. We're doing that for $670, so 10 times your monthly fee, so you actually get 2 months free. Everything the monthly plan has, you get a $20 saving extra on the setup. Full funnel paid for 12 months. You get, that's a full year for 10 months. You get 2 free, no monthly ongoing, and we'll give you a bonus Chrome extension that we know you're going to love. It's worth about $197 to buy it as a lifetime deal, and we're going to give you that bonus. It's called special link software that you just add to your extension so you can share it. You just click on any of those. So here's the process. You sign up, you order your domain. You can do that through the next pages. You provide us with all your CopyProTrader details in the next form. That gives us all the details we need to put into the custom values for you. So we're setting that all up free of charge. Well, actually not free of charge, but setting that up for you. And then you can start using the funnel, make some money. And that's it. Look forward to getting you sorted with that CopyProTraders funnel. And if you're not in CopyProTraders already and you'd like to find out more, the link will be down in the description, and we will also give you this funnel system complimentary if you sign up directly with our link. Enjoy.